Well, I love doing implants. I think one of the reasons it's so rewarding, it's kind of like cosmetic dentistry. Boy, the before and afters, they're great. And I have a saying that I feel like the best denture that it was ever made is still a pretty horrible product, unfortunately. I mean, it's putting a piece of plastic in your mouth, and it just, they were the best thing at the time, but boy, we've gone so far beyond that. So to be able to take somebody that would only bring their denture out for pictures, or if they're going to go out to eat with somebody, and otherwise put it in a drawer, to go backwards and get them back to when they were in their 20s and really having teeth that look like really real teeth, and letting them be able to chew hard things and sticky things without thinking about it. That's pretty neat. That's really rewarding for us.